Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Air and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find them and personalization. Then let's tap on wallpaper, so the second option, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. As you can see, we've got plenty of pre-installed options to choose from. Moreover, in the right upper corner, we've got this picture icon, which means that after tapping on it, we will be transferred to our own files. So of course, you can set your own photo as a wallpaper. So all you have to do is to find the wallpaper which you'd like to apply, and I will pick maybe this option. So simply tap on it and then tap on Set As. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I'll pick both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.